Hello my friends on YouTube. Today I'm going to be picking for you this little tiny master lock here. Trying to get that for you there. It's a little 20mm, like a suitcase lock. Real tiny. I'm going to be picking it with my homemade pick here. I call them rockers because you just rock them back and forth till they open. Show you it's all tightened up there. Here's how we do it, and just put it in and rock it back and forth as you're putting a little turning like a jiggler, and there you go, popped right open. Do that again for you here so you can see it better on camera. If I can get a good hold on there. That's all you do. Try to get it for you one more time here. It's real hard to get it in that around the warding in here. There we go. Well, thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. Please subscribe and have a great day.